Good morning, student. Let's start today's class. In today's class, we are going to study about the next layer of IEEE 802.11 uh, reference model is which is medium access control MAC. Okay. Now, the function of this layer is to collecting controlling access of the transmission medium by the devices. Okay, that means this layer control the access of the transmission medium by the devices. Okay, or is this medium control the accessibility of the transmission medium. Okay, and this device this um, these devices, this is wrongly, this is devices. Okay, these devices should share the network transmission medium. Okay, that means the devices which is present in the network, that devices should share the same transmission line or the network. Okay, and this make provide an orderly and efficient use of the capacity of the transmission medium. Capacity means the bandwidth of the transmission medium is the bandwidth of the transmission medium should be used properly or efficiently. That m is protected or provided by this MAC layer. Okay, and the key parameter in a medium access control, or which is MAC, is are where and how. Okay, where means whether the control is exercised in a centralized or decentralized fashion. Okay, the how term refers that whether the control which is placed or which is provided by the that MAC layer is in the centralized fashion or decentralized fashion. Centralized fashion means let's say this is the network. Okay, this is the devices, this is the network. Okay, let's say this is the network. Okay, here the control point. Okay, so whenever this device want to send some message to this device, to the device, first of all it send one signal or or seek a permit from the control. Okay, that he want to access this medium. Okay, so after getting the permit from the central devices, it only after that the device will transfer or access the medium. Okay, this is the centralized. That means only one control or control center are there. Okay, and similarly decentralized means there is one control in one devices, near one devices. Okay, and how means here, how term means it refers to the topology used in the network. That means how the devices are connected, that is called topology. Okay, so how the device is connected in a network, that refers by the how term. Okay, now let us see what is MAC frame format. Okay, MAC layer receive a block of data from the LLC layer, which is discussed in previous class, and is responsible for performing function related to medium access. Okay, and for transmitting the data. Okay, so the MAC layer receive the data from the LCC layer. Okay, and perform the function which is related to the medium access control. Okay, and the transmitting the data. Okay, these two functions can be controlled or performed by MAC layer. Okay, now in this case PDU, which is protocol um, data unit, which is protocol data unit, is referred to as a MAC frame. Okay, so in the this is the format of a MAC frame. Okay, here first bit is MAC control, then destination MAC address, then source MAC address, then LCC, PDU, and CRC. Now let us discuss about one by one. Okay, these bits one by one. Okay, in generally this is the format of make. Okay, now the what is make control? Okay, this field contain any protocol control information needed for the functioning of the make control. Okay, make protocol. That means this make control bit carrying or having the information about the protocol used in a make control okay, the information of that protocol used in that make control stored in make control bit. Okay, now the next one is destination make address. Okay, from this name suggests that it has the destination physical attachment point on a lane for this frame. Okay, so for this frame, okay, the destination address, that means let's say this is the network. Okay, so this is the network, so this is the source and this is the destination. Okay, so that destination make address store or have the physical point or physical attachment point. This is the physical attachment point, so this is the physical attachment point to the LAN. This is the network, LAN network. Okay, so this is the so this destination make address, you remember now we discuss this a wireless LAN. Okay, this is the MAC address is for wireless LAN. Okay, 8 IEEE 802 is for only for wireless LAN. Wireless LAN means Wi-Fi we used, which is Wi-Fi called, that is wireless LAN. One is wired LAN, which is we used in our computer, back of our computer by the wire, where but another one is wireless LAN. Okay, here we discuss only about wireless LAN. Okay, so this network is not physically network. Okay, this is a virtual network or wireless network. Okay, so this destination MAC address have the address of the destination or the physical point attachment point of the destination. Okay, now similar this the source MAC address also have the physical attachment point of the source to the LAN frame. Okay, sorry, LAN network. Okay, now LCC, you know LCC, the LCC data from the next higher layer. Okay, this LCC PDU layer. Then CRC, CRC full form is the cyclic redundancy check. Okay, in previously we have studied about the error detection top technologies. There is a error detection technology which is called cyclic redundance check. Okay, here that error detection technology is used in this frame. Okay, so this is an error detection code, okay, or techniques used for error detection in the frame of LAN. Okay, now you know in most of the data link control protocol, okay, the data link layer protocol entirely is responsible for not only for detecting error using CRC, but for the recovering from the from those error. Okay, but in LAN these functions divided in between two layers, make and LCC. Okay, make layer is responsible for detecting error and discarding any frame that are in error. Okay, this is the function of or responsible of make, and the LCC layer optically keep track of which frame have been successfully received and retransmit unsuccessful frames. Okay, this is the function of LLC. Okay, that means make responsible for detecting error and resolving that error. Okay, or discarding the frame error frame. Okay, and LCC responsible for or keep track of the unsuccessful frame, which is sorry the frame which is unsuccessfully received or sorry which frame the LCC layer responsible or track the frames which is successfully received and um, also track the unsuccessful received frame, and after that which is unsuccessfully received, that resend them or retransmit that uh, those frames which is unsuccessfully received at the receiver end. Okay, so that's all about the make layer or functionality of the make layer and make uh, frame format. Okay, thank you.